times for some sort of in Xbox. Could a monster truck beat this big obstacle course? My ginormous thing. And I'm gonna show the monster truck that I am going to be racing it. Race Ace! So that's our monster truck on our cool looking stand. Really like it. But anyways, let's get on to the thing. Let's make this monster truck all jiffy. And let's put it on the launcher. Hope it beats it. 3, 2. Okay, 3, 2. Nope. Are you getting close? 3, 2. Oh, just on the fire. But you'll have one more round. 3, 2, 1. Oh, just landed like that on the fire. Hope you enjoyed the obstacle course. And see you later. Okay, let's keep this monster truck back first. All right.